Morning, all of you. So now coming to here, this is set to Bangalore Sahodaya science question paper. So it starts with the section A. Anybody? First question, please. Yes, please. First question. Read here.
During an experiment, student of grade 10th observed the change of iron sulfate color due to the action of heat. What was the color observed in the product?
Yes. Iron sulfate color. So iron sulfate reaction, you can check it. It is in first chapter only. Decomposition reaction, you can check it, you will get it. Yes, please respond, anybody. So this is the most important reaction which I have taught you so many times. Decomposition reaction. Iron sulfate will decompose. We used to get the three products. The three products only I am asking now, and everybody they are waiting for that one. So iron sulfate decomposition reaction, please. Anybody?
Sir, ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide.
Sulfur dioxide plus?
Sulfur dioxide plus sulfur
Sulfur dioxide
trioxide.
plus sulfur trioxide.
Sulfur trioxide. So it is page number also, it is there. You can check it. So ferric sulfate. So page number, can you say anybody? What is the color I am asking? Color I am asking. Yeah, Nitin,
Reddish brown.
yeah,
Reddish brown.
reddish brown. That is what?
Reddish
So
brown.
yes, please, all of you remember, they are asking iron sulfate. So what do you mean by iron sulfate color? So first iron sulfate, it will be in a green color. Is it yes or no?
Color.
So FeSO4, it will be in a green color. This color coding is most important. No question will come out from our boundary. If you are not studying only, it will go out. That is what I am saying. So FeSO4, I think 2 FeSO4. So which will give you Fe2O3, iron oxide, correct? Ferric oxide plus SO2 gas plus SO3 gas. So now here we used to get a reddish brown color substance. That is what we should call it as what, guys? Ferric oxide. What we should call? Ferric oxide. So this is what is the color of this one? Reddish brown.
Reddish
So
brown.
what they can observe? What was the color observed in the product? Reddish brown. Is it yes or no? And this is the reaction present in page number. Can anybody say page number, please? Page number. Displays decomposition reactions. Yes? Arvind?
Page number 8, sir.
Page number 8. So please all of you check it. That is. So any doubt in this? That is the importance of color coding. Next, identify the reaction occurred in the following picture. Acid plus base.
Neutralization
salt and
reaction.
water. What is that?
Neutralization reaction.
Neutralization reaction. It is a direct question. So as we know, acid plus base will give you what, guys? Respect to salt plus water. This is what we should call it as. What is this called as, Ra? Neutralization reaction. Okay, that is what you have to remember. So here once again I'm saying now the situation, strong acid plus strong base will give you always what? Neutral salt plus water. Now strong acid plus weak base will give you what is the acidic salt plus water. Next, weak acid plus strong base always will give you what is the basic salt plus water. So kindly all of you remember this. Okay. So this is what the second question. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Please call to others and make them join fastly. So that is one by one. If you'll call it, you will reach us fastly only. So that is. So next, coming to the third question, there is no difficult question for you. No question will go behind your boundary. You can check it, all of you. We want centum, that's all. Now, which property of metal could be tested in the following experiment setup? Experiment setup. This experiment also I have taught you. Do you remember, guys? Same picture I have taught you. Do you remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, this is a picture we can use for which part? To test the metals, conductivity. Either the metals are good conductors or bad conductors. Is it
Bad
yes?
conductors.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
So malleability not, ductility not, resistivity not, conductivity. Correct or not? Either they are good conductors or bad conductors. Next, copper displaces which of the following metal from its salt solution? Copper, you can check it. Please never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen. Call me a pretty girl. So what is that? So silver nitrate only. Silver nitrate is below. Understanding? So we used to get what, guys? AgNO3. So it is displacement reaction. You can check it and you tell me. So what is the products will come?
CuNO3 twice.
Yes.
CuNO3 twice plus
CuNO3
Ag, sir.
twice.
CuNO3 twice up.
Plus Ag.
That is. So copper nitrate formula I want. Anybody? So which will give you CuNO3 twice copper nitrate plus we used to get what?
Ag.
Ag.
Silver.
Silver is
Ag.
separately. So balancing if you want 2 AgNO3 and here we used to get 2 Ag. Is it yes or no? So because remaining you can check it. I think this question is already came in somewhere also. Yes, different papers
Yes, sir.
also. Yes, that is. So be careful. That is next. See, as I said, I told you correct. Universal indicator is most common thing. Definitely the question will come from that. It will come. You can see. Every set of paper, it will be definitely there. So the picture given below is a pH scale. Let us solve very faster and faster. Let us check your efficiency. Now, you can see here, this is the pH scale. As we know, strong acids, weak acids, next weak alkalis, strong alkalis are bases. Middle we have a neutral. So now, what is the answer, guys? Anybody can answer. So what is the
Weak
question
base.
they are asking?
Weak
Weak
base.
base.
Weak base.
Weak base. So what is that answer? What is the questions they are asking? So what could be the
10, sir.
nature of
pH is
solution
10.
of pH which is recorded to 10 they are asking. So as we know, 7 after 8, 9, 10, which is what called
8,
as
9, 10.
weak
Weak
bases.
Weak
Yes,
base.
sir. Weak bases 11, 12, 13, 14 they are called as strong
Strong
bases.
base.
Correct. So that is. So now here what it will represent? Weak base. That's all. So that is the understanding the question. So this pH universal indicator, lot of points I have taught you. Do you remember? Each and every point you should remember. Understand, Varshini? Still lot of lazy fellows are there, not at join in meeting. It is really not at all good for you people. So next, which of the following statement about the following reaction is correct? They're asking, not incorrect, correct. So don't see options. First, you should know. So Zn, so you can see here. Let me write the reaction here. So first, mind you have to know this one. I am not saying you to write and waste the time. Mind you should know. Now you can see ZnO become Zn. It is reduced or oxidized? Reduced. So it is
Reduced,
what?
sir.
Reduction. Next, carbon
ZnO is
carbon
being
monoxide
reduced.
become carbon dioxide. It is gained oxygen. It is what we should call the guys.
Oxidation.
Understand?
Oxidation.
So now you can see here, carbon monoxide is being reduced. Carbon monoxide is being reduced.
Sir,
No,
option D.
sir. No, sir.
Option D. is
Option
right.
D, sir. D.
Which is the correct they are asking. So you can see the zinc oxide is being oxidized. No, it is reduced.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Next, carbon monoxide is being reduced. No, it is oxidized.
No, sir.
Now, CO2 is being oxidized.
No, sir.
No.
Sir,
Who is
carbon
being
monoxide
oxidized?
is oxidized.
Who is being
Carbon
oxidized?
CO is being
CO is
oxidized.
being oxidized.
being
Understanding? Now, is it zinc is getting reduced or zinc oxide is getting reduced?
Zinc
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 is
oxide
getting reduced.
Zinc oxide.
Zinc
oxide.
oxide is getting reduced. Now, last one. What is the correct answer?
Zinc
ZnO
oxide
is
is
being
reduced.
reduced. Understand? Be very careful. Now, who is the oxidizing agent? This is the oxidizing agent, and this is the what? Reducing agent. Understand? But here the people will question, sir, here carbon monoxide, oxygen will be there. Then how it is reducing agent? Yes, it is reducing agent because it is reducing oxygen from where? From ZnO. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is the reason.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, guys? Be very careful. That is. So that is the answer. So what is the answer? ZnO is
Awesome.
being reduced. Very good. Next, in the balancing chemical reaction, the value of X and Y. Let me see who will say. It is a double
3 and
distillation
2.
reaction.
3
and 2, sir.
Very
3 and 2,
short,
sir.
you should say. So how you can say 3
3
and
and
4?
2,
I want to know 3 and 5. How
Sir,
you
3 and
3 and 2,
Sir,
sir.
3 and 2,
sir,
sir.
3 and 2, sir. 3
Huh?
and 2,
3 and 2, sir.
3
3
and
and
2,
2.
sir. No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. Not 3 and 2, sir.
Hey,
Only
simply those who will answer. I will never like. I'm not at all interested to speak with you people. Also, you are not at all understanding what it is. What is the importance of answering question? It is like it is the pre-board, one of the most important question paper. Then how you people simply will proceed without solving? Are you people thinking that is it guessing is possible every time? You people cannot solve.
So it's a 3 and 2 only, sir.
Three is fixed. How it is 3 is fixed? Check it. How
BA,
three
so
is fixed?
for 3
Because
is there,
because
sir.
3 BaSO4 is there. See, 3 BaSO4 is there. Here 3 sulfate ions are there. But here here 3 sulfate ions are there. Here also 3 sulfate ions are there. Now they are asking what? Why? So now you can see aluminum. How many are there, guys? How many aluminum are
2,
there?
sir.
Huh? 2 aluminum
sir.
are there. Now here how many aluminum are there? Only one aluminum. So I can keep here 2. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here if I
2
keep 2.
correct, sir.
Now here if I keep 2, then what is the chlorine? Chlorines are become 5. But what
Six,
is the?
sir.
Yeah. Now you can
6,
see.
sir.
Yeah, barium. Yeah. The 6. It will become 6. But here how many are there? Only 2 are there. So I have to multiply with what? 3.
3.
That's all.
Yes,
It's even more simple.
Three and two, sir.
Bariums you can see. Bariums here 3 are there. Here only 1. So I can multiply with the 3. So what is the answer? 3 and 2. That's all. Do you understand? Little careful I am saying. So many said 3 and 5. Correct? Yes or no? Nobody will answer now. I know. That is. So little careful, guys. Little. We want that. Next. When hydrogen of an acid is partially neutralized by hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl means that is only OH minus ions only. Then we get what? Hydrogen of an acid is partially neutralized by hydroxyl ion. Then what we should get? Please think carefully and answer.
So normal salt means neutral salt, sir.
Normal salt means neutral salt. Acidic salt,
Neutral
basic
salt.
or complex
Neutral
salt.
salt only, no, sir.
Think carefully and answer.
Partially
No, I said.
only neutralized.
Acidic salt.
Acidic salt.
Yes, sir. Acidic salt.
Acidic salt.
Partially neutralized means acidic salt.
Acidic salt.
You have to think a little bit.
Basic. Basic salt, sir.
Nobody is answering.
Basic salt, sir.
Basic
Here
salt.
hydrogen is partially neutralized, so less H plus ions only released, sir.
That is. So that is the point here you people need to understand. So what is that saying? So observe a salt formed by the partial neutralization of hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl ions of a base by an acid is called, they are asking. So you can see when hydrogen of an acid is partially neutralized by hydroxyl ions of a base. So now who is more here? Acid is partial, means H plus ions is less, means less weak acid plus strong base. So what is happening, guys? Strong base plus weak acid. Just now I have taught you, correct?
Basic salt,
Yeah,
sir.
what is happening here? So you can check it here. So weak acid plus strong base. What is that, guys? It is a basic salt plus water. Then why can't you answer this? That is what I am thinking. I am waiting for you people, but you people are not at all answering. So what is the correct answer? It is
Basic
the
salt.
basic salt. How many of you understand this question? Respond me. I want the answers.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because here partial neutralization, partially you can see acid partially it is neutralized, not it is completely neutralized. Do you understand, Ra? Yes?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you remember, it is hydroxyl means OH ions only, not any other thing, new thing. Both are same. Do you understand? That is. So be very careful. Clear, guys? OH ions only. Okay? Any doubt in this? Next, a blue litmus does not show color change when a dry litmus is exposed to sulfur dioxide. Due to what?
Absence of H plus ions.
Blue litmus does not show a color change when a dry litmus dry litmus is exposed to sulfur dioxide due to?
Two litmus, sir.
Listen very carefully. Blue litmus does not show a color change when a dry litmus is exposed to sulfur dioxide due to what? Please. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is what, guys?
Oxides are basic in nature.
Yes. Is it basic in nature, sulfur dioxide?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Non-metallic.
Non-metallic oxides, they are in what? They are
Acidic in
acidic in nature. How
Acidic
many
in
times I
nature.
should say? Metallic oxides are basic in nature. Non-metallic
T&D wrong,
oxides,
sir.
yes. Non-metallic oxides, they are in what, guys? They are in neutral oxides or they are in acidic oxides. Yes or no? Now they are asking when the blue litmus does not show a color change when a dry litmus is exposed to sulfur dioxide. Okay, so can you say anything? What is the reason? So it is absence of H plus ions? No. Absence of OH minus ions? No. Is it a non-metallic oxides are basic in nature? No. What is that? Sulfur dioxide is a
Weak acid.
weak acid. Understanding? Weak acidic, less acidic in nature. It is almost a neutral substance. That is why no change. And one more thing here, actually, options also not perfectly matched. It is dry litmus. Is it dry litmus will show any nature?
No, sir.
That is.
No,
What
sir.
is the dry nature? What is the first dry
No
litmus?
reaction, sir.
No reaction will take place. Why no reaction?
Sir, litmus
No
paper-
moisture. No
Yes.
dissociation.
Understanding. So that is. So blue litmus does not show color change when it is exposed to the anything because a sulfur dioxide is a weak acid. That is the okay. But basically what it is, a dry litmus does not have any moisture so that it will never show any reaction. Do you understand, Ra? Yes? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Now
it is
here.
a weak acid, but a poisonous gas, sir.
Yes, yes. Now I will say you one point regarding this. All of you please note it down. That is, in the presence of strong acid, blue litmus changes its color to red color. Understand? Weak acids, it will never. That is why be very careful. So it is a very weak acid. That is why here, no changes of blue litmus to red litmus. Is it okay, Ra? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So please note that point. Next, see, like these questions, eliminate the options, then you can get the answers. Understanding? Non-metallic oxides are basic in nature. Is it basic in nature? They will be in what? Either neutral or acidic in nature. Yes or no? Next, absence of H plus ions? No. Absence of OH minus ions? No. Sulfur dioxide is a weak acid. That is the only thing is remaining. That's all. You will get the answer. Do you understand what I am saying? If not, also you can leave that question. No issues. Next question. Let me see who will answer.
2 and 4.
Which are the
Gold is-
following statements
Gold and silver.
represents the most
Gold and
malleable
silver.
metals? Most
Gold and
malleable
silver.
metals. What is that?
Gold and silver.
Gold and
and
silver.
option
As
B,
we
sir.
know, phosphorus
Option
and
B, sir.
sulfur. What is that, Ra? Sulfur is a non-metal. Phosphorus is a what, Ra? Phosphorus. It is also a what? Sulfur and phosphorus. Non-metals, Ra, they are.
Non-metal.
Yes, sir. That is I am asking. So what is the correct answer? 2 and 4. Which option?
2 and 4. Option
Option
D.
D. That is
Option
very
D.
good. Next, the diagram given below shows the human excretory system. Identify the function of the part labeled as.
Sir, store
B.
urine, sir.
Store you.
This
Store
is-
urine.
I think this question is came in our
Store
revision
urine.
test 2
Yes,
also. Is it?
Yes,
A?
sir. This question
Yes,
came,
right.
sir.
That is what I am saying. So this question, same question came in our revision test 2. Is it my guess is true?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is. So what
Yes,
is
sir.
that? To excrete
To
urea,
store
to
urine, sir.
to store urea. What is the name called as this one?
Bladder.
Urinary
bladder.
Urinary
bladder.
bladder.
So it is a
Urinary bladder.
bladder. So that is what it is. The functioning of that one is storing. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next question. What is the aim of given experiment they are asking? So check it. I think you can guess it easily. What is the aim of given experiment?
Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis.
Is it sunlight is essential? We are keeping
No, sir,
potassium.
no.
Prove that the
We are
carbon
keeping-
dioxide
we are
Prove that
keeping-
carbon dioxide is
That
essential.
is
Prove
what
that
the
carbon
question.
dioxide is
Who
essential.
said? I think Varshini only said sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Yes, Varshini?
Yes, yes,
What?
sir.
You cannot see. Is it a transparent glass? Is it no sunlight will reach us to there? Here mentioned picture
No.
clearly. No carbon dioxide is present. Because why? Potassium hydroxide will absorb that. Is it yes or no?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? It experiment. What is the aim of this experiment? To prove that
Prove that
carbon
carbon
dioxide is
dioxide is
essential for
essential
photosynthesis reaction. It is such a simple question, Ra. It will never be complex. I am saying you board exam again and again. Efficiency. No other is opening the mouth. I am seeing here Arun Gardigayan, Achika, Alni. Why people are Harini and all, I don't know. Next question, answer fastly. Which type of nutrition is carried out by amoeba and paramecium? Both. Amoeba and paramecium.
Holozoid.
Halozoic or holozoic
Holozoic.
nutrition. They are the examples of
Holozoic
that.
nutrition.
Yes or no? That is next.
Yes, sir.
Identify X, Y, Z. Finish fastly. I want finish section A at least. Identify X, Y, Z. Krebs cycle. I already told you to learn this. Krebs cycle. Do you remember? Carbohydrate plus pyruvic acid. Next, carbon dioxide H2O energy. CO2. It is C2H2OH. Alcohol energy. So this is the even. I have told you so many times to learn this X, Y, Z. So please respond. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate means glucose only. So now pyruvic acid will come. Later carbon dioxide H2O. Are see that picture and say it is in a textbook only.
Ethanol, sir.
Huh?
Z is anaerobic, Y is aerobic, sir.
Is it is
Aerobic, is it is
yes.
anaerobic?
So you can see basic general carbon dioxide and water plus energy will release. This is our respiration system. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It is called
Yes,
as
sir.
what?
Yes,
Aerobic
sir.
or anaerobic respiration?
Aerobic,
Aerobic.
sir.
Aerobic.
Next, it is called as anaerobic
Anaerobic.
respiration.
Anaerobic
Yes or no? So now aerobic and anaerobic, only one option is matching. What is that? Option? Option
B.
C.
Glycolysis aerobic.
So glycolysis.
Sir, can
Glycolysis.
you
C, sir.
explain that
Option C.
Krebs cycle,
Glycolysis.
sir?
Carbohydrates. What is that? Recently asked came. Glycolysis. Understanding. So that carbohydrates will turns into pyruvic acid. It is called as glycolysis. Next, what is that? Aerobic process and anaerobic process. So what is the correct answer?
C, sir.
C. Bhumika, you have sent it this one, correct already? To me, you have sent me this one. Some picture you have sent me like this. Yes? Next. Here you can see. What happens when structure P contracts and flattens? Be careful and answer. Contracts and flattens. Contracts and flattens. Diaphragm contracts. Relax ille. Contracts. Be careful. Contracts. It has been pumped up. Have you seen it? Pumped up means during what?
Sir, the ribcage moves downwards and inwards.
Downwards and inwards. Huh?
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Wait, the diaphragm is lifted upwards. It is, you can see, contract.
Air flows out of the lungs, sir.
Yes.
So
Anybody?
C only, sir.
Others? See, we have
Option
two
A, sir.
things. Inhaling, exhaling. Now, inhaling means what? Diaphragm will be
Air
implanted
move up, sir.
and it will move upwards and outwards. Is it yes or no? Upwards and outwards. Next,
Outwards.
respirate out, breathing out, diaphragm will move upwards and ribs will move inwards and downwards.
Downwards and
Yes, sir,
Inwards
yes, sir.
and downwards. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, based upon that, you answer. It is now, it is contract.
C, sir.
P, diaphragm contracts. So now, what will happen? Now you can see
C.
options. Let us come. Air is forced out of the lungs. Air is forced out of the lungs. No. Next, the volume of the what is that? Thoracic cavity increases. We don't have any
Yes,
relation
sir.
with that. Next, the rib cage moves downwards and inwards. The air
Wrong,
pressure in the
sir.
lungs increases. No air pressure increases. Air
pressure.
pressure will decreases by that time. So now, what is the correct answer? The rib cage moves
The ribcage moves
downwards
downwards
and
and
inwards. Understanding? Because it is what, guys? It is breathe out. So breathe out means what will come? this will move. Diaphragm will move upwards and it will move inwards and downwards. Yes or no? Yes, that is. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
correct answer? The rib case
Yes, sir.
moves downwards and
Inwards and
That
downwards.
is. Please verify that. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Bhumika, regarding this one, please send it in group now itself, the picture, which I have sent me long back. Send me now. Send it in group now. Okay. Next. Which of these blood vessels labeled PQRS carried blood to the lungs? Blood to the lungs. Blood to the lungs.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Karthikeyan, I don't know what I should do to you. They are asking
Sir,
which of these blood vessels labeled PQRS carry
sir.
blood
Q.
to the
Sir.
blood to
Q.
the lungs.
sir.
So you can check it,
Q.
guys. Blood to the lungs means it
Q,
will start
sir.
from what, guys?
Q,
Left
sir.
left
Q.
ventricle only. Is it yes or no? Left or right?
Yes,
Right
sir.
ventricle.
Left.
Left only, sir. Left only.
Is it left?
only, sir.
Right. Right.
ventricle.
Right.
ventricle, sir.
It is right
sir.
ventricle.
Right,
It is
right,
right
that
side
only.
and this is left
Heart left.
right ventricle. So which one it is? Q. Understand?
Pulmonary. Yes, sir.
Yes. What is that name called as?
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery. Do you understand, everybody? Others? Nitish? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Next. So that cycle is called as what? Dina, are you there? Okay. Next. In which of the following experiment convex mirror is employed? Following experiment. Convex mirror.
Rear view mirror of
Convex
car.
mirror.
Rear view.
Convex mirror.
Rear view, sir.
Convex mirror.
Yes, sir.
Rear view, sir.
Rear view of the mirror.
Rear view mirror of car.
Rear view mirror of the car. Why? It is what? Always
It
virtual.
shows larger view, sir.
Always larger. Convex
A
mirror.
smaller view, sir. Diminished
What?
view.
Virtual.
and erect, sir.
Virtual always diminished. Correct or not?
Diminished.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So virtual and always diminished image. So erect image. So that is why it is a rear view mirror. So large view we can able to see in the small thing. Is it yes or no? That is.
Yes, sir.
Padmodini, no clarity. That is what? Next. Which diagram shows the correct way regarding refraction of light through a glass slab? Correct
Yes,
way.
again,
B,
sir.
sir.
B.
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 Others
B,
also
sir.
speak out. Is it a question?
B,
Next.
sir. B.
The image formed by a object of a plane mirror.
Virtual.
Always
Virtual, sir.
virtual. Always
Virtual.
virtual and magnification is what? Ra?
One.
Always +1. Understand?
one.
That is you remember. Next. The angle of incident is equals to the angle of reflection. Angle of incident
Always.
is equals to
Always.
angle of reflection.
Always.
Is what we should call as law of reflection. Is it yes or no? Second law of reflection. So always both are equal. Next, numerical. Let me see who will start solving. Who will solve first? Numerical. I won't speak. Who is having? Let me see the strength. I need to know your strengths now. All of you start solving. Don't waste time. Everybody's I have taught you. Don't answer. I will ask. Bhumika send that in group. Please, all of you learn that. Bhumika, is it correct, Bhumika? Glycolysis pyruvate, is it yes? Respond, Bhumika.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 0.23.
I don't know. Others also have to answer. Yeah, I don't know what you people are solving. Nitinath, everybody.
Sir, 0.23.
Others, if you will get same answer only, if you will waste time also, I have no problem for you.
Sir, 0.23, sir.
Let me see. How many of you will solve? Is it completed?
Sir, 0.23.
0.23.
0.23. Is it coming, Jesse? I want to answer, please. Hello? Are you there? What is the answer? Tell me. A convex mirror used for rear view mirror in automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meters.
3
You
meters.
are really very bad. So radius of curvature is 3 meters, means in the sense of what is the focal length? First, convex.
3 by
Convex
2,
means,
sir. 3
convex
by 2.
means
1.5 meters, sir.
it is positive.
1.5
Is
meters.
it yes or no? 1.5
Fraction
is
itself will
positive.
give, sir.
Take fractions only. Next, a bus is located distance of 5 meters. So object distance is how much?
U is equal to minus 5.
5 meters, minus 5. And focal length is plus or minus? Plus
Plus
or
only,
minus?
Plus,
Plus. Correct.
Plus, sir.
Plus. Now find the magnification of the bus they are asking. So directly you can use formula. We know the formula. Magnification is equals to what? Object distance. U and F. U and F, what is the formula?
F by F minus U.
F,
by
F
F
divided
minus
by
U.
F minus U. Is it yes or no?
U.
So F is equals to 3 by 2 divided by, and next F minus U means what? 3 by 2 minus of minus 5. Is it yes, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 5. Can you accept it? Now 3 by 2
Yes, sir.
divided by, so
sir.
3
plus 10 by
13.
2.
13 divided by 2.
2
2
and
will
2
get
cancel.
cancelled, which is equals
3
to
by 13
3
is
by
2
13. So 3 by 13. 13 means how much it will come? Point you can keep 0.
0.2.
So 13 twos are how much? 26.
26.
That's all. So
Four.
0.2 is coming. So what is the answer? 0.23. That is. Have you solved? How many of you solved? Please say the genuinely. Sriya, have you solved? Sriya?
Yes, sir. Solve.
Ashika solved.
Sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understand?
Sir.
That is C. But here, if you use general method, we have a disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? First, we have to find. What we have to find?
Object
We have to
distance.
find
Image distance.
image
sir.
distance. Later only we can use magnification. Correct? But here, if you use shortcut, then what will happen? Directly we are getting the answer. Yes or no? That is. So be careful and solve. If not solving, you people cannot. Dileepan, you are not all solving. I know that. Madhumita, what is happening? You cannot solve this. Next, this question you can see. A student used a device X to obtain a focus the image of a well illuminated distance building on his screen. So as shown in the alongside in the diagram, select the correct statement about the device X they are saying. So what is the, can you say? Please check it. It is a what? It is converging. Converging means what is this, guys? Focus. Focus means what? It is forming the image of dot, point size object. So now, what is that lens called as? What is that lens called as, Ashika?
Convex lens.
Convex lens. Very good. And what is the focal length? You can check it. What is the focal length?
8 centimeters.
8 centimeter, because the distance from the lens and the screen, how much they have given? Distance between the
8,
lens and the
sir.
screen, you can
8
check it out.
centimeters.
You can understand. So what is the distance between them? It is called a, how much, Amma?
8, sir.
8 centimeters.
sir.
8
Understand?
centimeters.
So that is how to remember. So what is this? This is a device
Option D,
convex
sir.
lens of convex
D,
lens
sir.
of focal length. Convex
Option D,
lens
sir.
of focal length 8 centimeters. So
Option
option D is the correct answer. Correct? Next, which letter represents focal length of the given picture? Focal length. Which letter represents focal length of the focal length? Focal length. This is a convex length. This is a convex mirror. Is it yes, guys? Please respond. Yeah. Which letter will represent? Convex. That is we know. So convex mirror. So convex mirror, which letter is representing focus? You can check it here.
F, sir.
Which
F,
letter?
sir.
Ade, which letter?